Welcome to Quick Particulars. This video let you all know about the advancements in drone technology in recent times and its possible used cases. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have come a long way since their initial development in the early 1900s. Advancements in technology have made them smaller, more efficient, and more versatile, which has led to their use in a wide range of applications. Here are some of the notable advancements in drone technology in recent years. 1. Miniaturization. One of the most significant advancements in drone technology has been the miniaturization of components such as sensors, cameras, and processors. This has allowed drones to become smaller, lighter, and more maneuverable, making them ideal for tasks such as aerial photography, surveying, and inspection. 2. Improved flight control systems. Modern drones are equipped with sophisticated flight control systems that allow them to maintain stable flight even in turbulent conditions. GPS systems, inertial measurement units, IMUs, and barometers help drones maintain altitude, while sensors such as accelerometers and gyroscopes enable precise movement control. 3. Longer flight times. Advances in battery technology have significantly increased the flight time of drones. Lithium-ion batteries are now widely used in drones, allowing them to stay airborne for up to 30 minutes or more on a single charge. 4. Better cameras and sensors. High-resolution cameras and sensors are now commonly used in drones for applications such as mapping, surveying, and inspection. Thermal cameras are also used in some drones to detect heat signatures, making them useful for search and rescue missions. 5. Autonomous capabilities. Many drones now have autonomous capabilities, which means they can operate without human input. This is made possible by onboard sensors and processors that enable the drone to navigate, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks such as inspecting power lines or monitoring wildlife. 6. Swarming technology. Swarming technology enables multiple drones to work together in a coordinated manner, allowing them to perform complex tasks such as search and rescue missions or crop monitoring. 7. Delivery capabilities. Drones are being developed for package delivery, which has the potential to revolutionize the logistics industry. Companies such as Amazon and Google are already testing drone delivery systems in select locations. 8. Improved safety features. As drone use becomes more widespread, safety features have become a priority. Many drones now have collision avoidance systems, automatic return-to-home features, and geo-fencing capabilities to prevent them from flying into restricted airspace. Overall, advancements in drone technology have made them more versatile and efficient, opening up a wide range of applications in industries such as agriculture, construction, and logistics. As technology continues to improve, drones are likely to become even more advanced, paving the way for new and innovative uses. Thanks for watching.